What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you. If by the end of this video you like what you see, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly take down a twist out, and I'll also be showing you guys how to do so and get minimal frizz. So if you guys would like to know how to properly take down a twist out, then make sure you keep on watching, y'all. So to achieve this twist out, I use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. You guys can see that. I use this product to twist my hair. I only use this one product to twist my hair. Now, before you start to unravel your twist, you want to always make sure your hair is 100% dry. Do not, if your hair is wet or damp, do not start to take your twist down, because that will cause so much frizz. Just don't do it, okay? I like to always use an oil when I'm separating my twist or a braid out or anything like that. Because I use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, I'm gonna go in with their oil from the line. So it's their blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment. I like to apply oil to my fingertips only to reduce frizz. So I'm just gonna take some oil and I'm just gonna apply it to my fingertips. So we're gonna start to separate. Okay, so when you're unraveling your twist, you want to unravel in the opposite way that you twist it. So I'm basically twisting in the opposite direction. You don't want to just pull your twist apart. That's the proper way to unravel a twist, and that's all I'm doing. With this part of the takedown, this is the quickest. Now, some people like to separate their hair as they unravel the twist, but me personally, I don't like to do that. I like to go through and just unravel my twist first before I start to separate further, because it takes less time. Alright, so once I'm done unraveling my twist, we're gonna move on to further separating the hair. So what you want to do is find where your hair naturally wants to separate and gently pull it apart. I'm gonna use a clip and I'm gonna clip the rest of this away. Now, I don't usually use a clip to clip my hair away, but I'm doing it for the purpose of this video so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna pull on it a little bit. And gently pull it apart. I like to take each individual curl and twirl it around my finger, and that just reduces frizz. So all I'm doing now, my hair, I don't really see any parts that want to separate naturally, so I just gently pull my hair apart. Sometimes it'll be areas where my hair want to separate, but most of the time I just have to gently pull it apart. As you can see. So again, if you see where my hair don't really have where it want to separate by itself, so I have to just do it by myself, pull it apart myself. So all I'm doing is gently pulling it apart. And you want to always make sure you're looking in the mirror when you're separating your hair, because if you separate your hair and you're not looking in the mirror, then how So, and I'm just twirling it around my finger. And that's how you get that super duper duper defined curl at the end. And like I say in all my twist out videos, you just want to make sure you take your time, because you don't want to spend all that time doing your twist and then be sloppy when you get to the takedown, because that's just a waste of time. So you just want to make sure you're taking your time when you're separating, so you can get some fire results. Alright, and when I get to the front of my hair, I make sure I'm extra gentle with the twist at the front, because I mentioned in my last video, if you guys haven't seen it, I mentioned that the front of my hair super duper looser texture than the rest of my hair. So, and I get a lot of frizz. I tend to get a lot of frizz at the front of my hair, so I have to be really careful when separating my hair. So, and you can kind of see more where the hair wants to separate naturally at the front of my hair, because my hair is looser, like I said. So I just do it exactly where it wants to separate, and then I leave it alone, and that be it. And your hair is the part that's the most important part, because that's the part that everybody sees. So you don't want to go too hard at the front of your hair, especially if you're somebody like me who struggle with frizz in this particular area. So we're gonna go on to the pick. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my pick. Now you don't want to pick all the way through your hair, all the way down to the ends of your hair. You don't want to do that. Don't do that, because then you pick out the curl completely and you just get a whole bunch of frizz. So you just only want to make sure you're picking at the roots of your hair. I like to pick up instead of down. I like to pick up because it gives me more volume. Pick up. And I'm also going to try to get rid of this middle part that I have. Alright, and so this is my hair once I'm done picking. And I'm gonna take my curls, Blueberry Bliss Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. And I'm just gonna apply that to my edges. Now this is brand new, I've never tried it, so I'm gonna see what it do. Okay y'all, so this edge control was okay. It wasn't bad at all. But I can definitely tell that it's gonna be a soft hold. My edges aren't dry all the way, but I can tell that this product is gonna give me a super duper light hold, because I can kind of see my edges lifting up already. But yeah, it's not bad at all. I'll take the clips off. And this is my finished product, you guys. This is how to properly take down twists. I like this. I'm gonna just pick just a little bit more right here. As y'all can see, the definition go crazy. I like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go down below and smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button as well. And make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.